Hello, everyone. Join us on an unforgettable 2-day journey from Montreal to Quebec City. In this travel vlog, we explore the charming streets of Old Quebec, shop at the traditional Petit Champlain markets, and marvel at the stunning Montmorency Falls. We started with an overnight flight from Vancouver to Montreal. Upon arrival in Montreal, we quickly picked up our pre-booked rental car and began our road trip to Quebec City. The distance between Montreal and Quebec City is about 250 kilometers, which takes approximately 3 hours by car. Along the way, we couldn't resist a detour to visit the peaceful Notre Dame du Mont Carmel. This beautiful area offered us a chance to stretch our legs and admire the historic church and cemetery. After a brief exploration, we were back on the road, heading towards Quebec City. Once we arrived in Quebec City, we headed straight to our hotel to check in. After a short rest, we couldn't wait to start exploring the city. Our first stop was the historic Montgomery Park National Historic Site, where we began our walk through Old Quebec. We wandered through the charming Petit Champlain markets, with their narrow streets and quaint local shops. This area is perfect for picking up unique souvenirs and enjoying the local atmosphere. After spending some time at the markets, we took the funicular up to Dufferin Terrace, offering breathtaking views of the St. Lawrence River and the iconic Chateau Frontenac. We then explored the main square of Old Quebec, where we were captivated by the beautiful old buildings and street performances of local artists. The lively atmosphere made it a perfect spot to spend the evening. For dinner, we chose one of the charming local restaurants and enjoyed a delicious meal. After dinner, we continued to explore the city, enjoying the street musicians and artists who filled the air with their performances late into the night.
Que tengo miedo a perderte después. Que tengo miedo perderte después.
Merci beaucoup.
Bésame mucho. Kiss me a lot. Beaucoup de bisous.
Our next day's stop is the breathtaking Montmorency Falls, located just a short drive from Quebec City. Standing at 83 meters tall, Montmorency Falls is actually higher than Niagara Falls, making it one of the most impressive natural attractions in the area. Surrounded by lush greenery and offering panoramic views of the St. Lawrence River, this is a must-see destination for any nature lover. To truly experience the falls, we decided to take the gondola ride up to the top. As we ascended, we were treated to incredible views of the cascading water and the surrounding landscape. The ride itself was smooth and offered a unique perspective of the falls that you can't get from the ground. On either side of the bridge, there are multiple viewing platforms where you can stop and really take in the scenery. Whether you're looking out over the falls themselves or gazing at the St. Lawrence River stretching into the distance, every angle offers a spectacular view. If you're a photographer, this is paradise. Once we reached the top, we made our way to the suspension bridge that spans directly over the falls. Walking across this bridge is an exhilarating experience. You can feel the power of the rushing water beneath your feet as you take in the stunning views from both sides. It's both thrilling and awe-inspiring, and it gives you a real sense of just how massive these falls are. After spending time exploring the falls and taking in the beauty of the area, we felt both refreshed and amazed by the sheer power of nature. Montmorency Falls is one of those places that leaves a lasting impression, and we highly recommend adding it to your itinerary when visiting Quebec City. Whether you're seeking adventure or simply want to enjoy the stunning landscape, this is a spot you won't want to miss. By the way, for those looking for a bit of a workout, there's also a long staircase that takes you down the side of the falls, offering different viewpoints along the way. It's a bit of a climb, but the views are worth it. And don't worry, if you don't feel like walking back up, you can always take the gondola back down. After our adventure at the falls, we returned to our hotel for a quick lunch and some rest. Later in the afternoon, we explored more of the city, including bars, parks, and museums. Once again, we found ourselves back in the magical old town, where we enjoyed the vibrant atmosphere until late into the night. Our time in Quebec City was filled with unforgettable memories, and we can't wait to come back again. This city is truly a gem, and we highly recommend it to anyone looking for a unique travel experience.
c'est belle, mes clients me voyaient qu'elle. Il faut dire qu'elle était vraiment
Very funny. I love it. Tutte le genti che passeranno. Oh, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. E le genti che passeranno, ma mi diranno del Signore. E questo è il cuore del partigiano. Oh, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. E questo è il fiore del partigiano. È morto per la libertà. E questo è il fiore del partigiano. È morto per la libertà.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy travels.